Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to set your Facebook account to private. So on your Facebook app, on the homepage, click this three lines button on the upper right corner. Scroll down to privacy shortcuts, and then you will see here, take a privacy checkup. And then here, who can see what you share. You can change all the necessary settings here. You can set it all to only me and some on private. So um, definitely your preference here. So after that, you can click next. And then here you can also see who can see your future posts, who can see your stories. You can hide your stories from someone as well. And then you can also limit your post, but you can also click next, and then you can add people you can block. And that's it. That's how you set your Facebook account to private. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope this helped. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.